Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here in Australia with Abletech, and we've just had a demonstration of the new Xwatch system that they have purchased with the MC1 Leica machine control integration. Justin, would you take the alarm off for me? Justin has just acknowledged the alarm that comes on that people hear when they're literally being stopped into that zone that's been put into the avoidance on the Xwatch system. I'm going to be joined by Maurice now from Leica Geosystems in Australia. Maurice, Abletech have literally become the first business in Australia to combine the Leica MC1 machine control with the Xwatch safety solution. We're in Queensland here, very, very big Olympic project going on down the road in Brisbane. But this is a big move for Abletech, and this is what the future is, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It definitely is. So this new technology with MC1 and Xwatch is definitely a way for the future moving forward.
So tell me a little bit about how this comes to pass, because the team have actually seen this in action, but in a different country altogether, Las Vegas.
Yes, exactly, Las Vegas. And now we've got it here in Australia. So basically with our distribution partners, CR Kennedy, basically are doing the distribution of our MC1 product along with our Xwatch integration system with the MC1.
So when we see how that's been operated, it relies on sensors on the machine. So let's pop over here and just point out the sensors for us. So Maurice, we've got the Xwatch sensor here, which is integrated into the Leica sensor chain, isn't it?
That's correct, yes. It's integrated into the MC1 platform, which allows us to work in the avoidance zone area and stopping the machines.
And so what's interesting here is you have worked with the team at CR Kennedy and Abletech to create their own avoidance area that they can demonstrate to customers. So that diesel tank over there is protected, as is some of the cables that they've got down here in this mock setup, isn't it?
Yeah, so Abletech have set up their own yard so they can show people how the system works rather than having to go out into a live environment. So the yard's been set up with basically avoidance zone. They've also got DTM surfaces for the MC1. So helps them create a good environment for a real world scenario, which we work in.
And you've been helping the team do that, but you've also been seeing their customers come through. What has been the impact of being able to show this technology in country, but also in a situation like this?
Yeah, listen, it's really good that we can actually show it here in country. Everyone can see the product and see what it's about. It's not just OS, it's actually here now in Australia and can be used, and we can display it.
And so when we look at the future for this kind of integration, where do you see this working really well?
Yeah, listen, it'll work really well in major projects. You know, digging around services and all that kind of stuff, reducing risk of misses and all that, hitting live services. It's really good.
So this is now available Australia-wide. Abletech are the first people to use it. The technology is there. And what are the real core benefits that you want people to understand from this whole setup?
Yeah, listen, the whole core setup, not just with Xwatch, but with the MC1 solution, we can stop people from hitting surfaces when we've got these in our models and all that. You know, we've got safety in digging in different environments and all that kind of stuff, not just around services, but around trenching as well.
And of course, they've got a sort of tilt attachment here on the actual machine. So they've got their sensor then on the bucket, so they can actually do that sort of tilt bucket work as well, can't they?
That's correct, yeah. So we've got full integration over the whole system. Digging with any kind of tilt hitch and all that definitely makes it easier for any kind of environment.
So when you set it up in country, when you actually have a customer that has decided to set up their own demonstration in their own yard, it really makes sense to see the technology in action on the machines that they're going to be used on the job site as well, isn't it?
Exactly, yeah. It's really good what they've set up here.
Fantastic, great to see you.
Thank you.